Hello ladies, I am Shabnam Sharma, Penkraft Master Trainer, and I am here today to tell you about what is Vedic Maths, details of the Penkraft Vedic Maths course, and how you can become Penkraft Certified Teacher for Vedic Maths and work from home. Vedic Maths means practicing mathematics using methods from Vedas, specifically from the Atharva Veda. While the Atharva Veda deals with a large number of disciplines such as engineering, culture, maths, etc. The 16 sutras and their 30 sub-sutras that were discovered by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath deal specifically with maths, arithmetic, calculus, trigonometry, etc. However, as the Penkraft Vedic Maths course is specifically for school students, we have structured it as per the school syllabus requirements. The course is conducted in 3 levels for students with each level of 24 hours. 24 hours of cumulative duration and can be spread over 1 to 3 months. The course is suitable for students 10 years of age and above. Level 1 covers complement of a number, vinculum numbers and multiplication and division methods, etc. Level 2 covers divisibility tests, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, Vedic numerical code, etc. Level 3 covers recurring decimals, equation methods and binomial theorems. So, the Penkraft Vedic course is scientifically designed to ensure a complete grasp of concepts by the student, and the regular practice and tests during the course ensure retention of all that is previously learned too. The Penkraft Teachers Training for Vedic Maths is also in 3 levels. You will need to clear level 1 before you move to level 2 and then level 3. The duration is approximate 16 hours for each level, can be completed in 4 days' time for each level. The training is conducted by Penkraft Master Trainer on live and interactive video sessions on one-to-one basis. The training not only the course subject of Vedic Maths but also how you can market your classes using social media, how to effectively answer queries from parents and students, etc. Once you complete the training and become a Penkraft Certified Teacher, Penkraft helps you start your own home-based classes for Penkraft Vedic Maths. You can also teach Vedic Maths online to students already registered on the Penkraft portal. Penkraft provides you lifetime free creative and advertising support. Penkraft does not charge any royalty and you are free to decide upon the fee you want to charge to the students. Penkraft Vedic Maths books, etc. can be bought on Penkraft's website at discounted prices. The Penkraft certified teachers who perform well have the chance of being designated Penkraft Master Trainers, wherein they can train other teachers too, apart from the regular student classes. This thus becomes your second source of income. The fee for this Penkraft Teachers Training of Vedic Maths is 10,000 rupees per level. If you do not want to invest the full amount in one go, you can spread out your training as one level per month, so that after undergoing the level 1 training, you can immediately start your classes, as the student themselves would take a month to finish this level 1. You will have a month in between and can undergo the level 2 training at the end of the month, so that you are then ready to take the same set of students for level 2 in the next month. Similarly, for level 3, you can undergo the training after a month's gap after your level 2 training. For further details, please visit www.pencraftonline.in or call us on 730-4044-597, or you can email us on info@pencraft.in.